Whoops channel, hello. Thank you very much for my new sunglasses. I like it. See, this is the one I chose. So, maraming salamat sa iyong kindness. See, meron akong new sunglasses courtesy of Guaps channel. Ayan. Guaps channel. Thank you for my sunglasses. Love it, love it, love it. Ray-Ban Polarized. It's Erica 4171. Look it up and you'll see that it's really nice. And you see my hair? Can you see this? See up there? This is fake hair because it doesn't look like the same as the color of my hair, but it's like that. Thank you, Guaps, for my new sunglasses. Appreciate it. Mwah, mwah, chup, chup. Mwah, mwah.